अभी इस वक्त मैं हूँ इंडोनेशिया बाली में और आज मैं आया हूँ पंगलीपुरम विलेज देखने के लिए जो कि बाली का सबसे क्लीनेस्ट विलेज है। आज आपको मैं वो दिखाने वाला हूँ। यहाँ पे टिकट लेनी पड़ती है और जो टिकट के चार्जेस हैं वो है 30,000 इंडोनेशियन करेंसी में।
And one is the oldest village in Bali. We call it Baliaga. So long time ago, our countryside, the village, the traditional house, the traditional compound, exactly like this one.
Okay.
But as the modern came, right, we make something different. But this village also protected by UNESCO. As a lot of tourism came, they feed all the time. We have a village temple here, okay, and also supposed to be two small temple as a protection, and then middle gate that using for the only ancestor and the god access. And we are in ceremony, we'll open the gate little bit, but human is not allowed to come in. We go from the side. No. Then as attention, looking for the good and bad spirit around us, we put white and black fabric on the small temple here. And we have also the traditional ring for something emergency to call people for making preparation before we celebrate the ceremony. When we are in ceremony, we hit the traditional ring again to call everybody for praying in temple. This one is meeting point actually. Meeting point. Yeah, will come in. So let's I explain to you. Yeah. This is our regular offering, Mr. Rohit. This is our regular offering that we call it chanang here.
Okay.
We use many kind of flower as symbol, many kind God as a color. Red, the Lord Brahma. This is for the Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Ganesha, and also the ancestor. Okay. And this regular offering we offer everywhere, every day.
Yes, we see
It's not
this.
only it's not only in the temple, in the ground also, to the spirit around us. Hopefully they could get balance, harmony, and also they don't disturb us. That's the reason why we offer in the ground. We put in the ground. If we offer that the offering to the spirit, sometimes we put tea, coffee, tobacco, also cake, and then candy, something sweet they like.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, we offer, of course, in the temple. on the kitchen area, in the water access, and in the end of the traditional compound on another small temple as the connecting door to the spirit also. Yeah. On the other side, of course, you couldn't see by the normal eyes, but I trust, yes. Pray, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. On the north side, this room, we use it, we'll give it to our oldest parent. The door, we make a more shop. We would like to teach all the people, another person, automatically how to be polite to the older people when they come in. Yeah, to the room space. Yeah. No. And we have on the Middle East, we have a secret area. This we use for all human ceremony. Maybe ceremony here, 3 months. Yes, because after ceremony, now they're using this place to keep all the offering stuff, like the fruit and the umbrella and many others. But this normally we use for the human ceremony, baby ceremony, wedding ceremony, also here for the ritual and ceremonial. And then for the reception, after that you can do on your garden if you have big garden, big space. And then for people funeral, people pass away, before we do funeral, you use right, take some of the in the kitchen normally in the south side. I think back there is a kitchen.
Mm.
Yeah, stay. Right. Yeah, long time ago we use this one to put water anyway.
Water.
Yeah, long time ago. Then we.
Uh-huh.
Jeding, we call it jeding. This the rooster actually they use for the cockfighting.
Yeah.
Of course, we need to make a deal with the devil and demon before we celebrate ceremony in Bali.
Okay.
That's why we have to do tabuh rah, that we call it.
Tabuh rah.
Fighting.
Okay.
Tabuh rah means blood coming out on the land. You're pouring the blood on the land.
Okay.
Tabuh rah.
Okay.
So we just need the blood of the rooster for that the ceremonial ritual before you go for the higher ceremony in temple.
Okay.
For that you need to offer Bali spirit and then cockfighting to get the blood only, and then doing ritual to the devil and demon. Hopefully they don't disturb the ceremony.
Okay.
That's why it came from tradition. That means some people they do it.
सो ये था बाली का सबसे पुराने गांव की एक वीडियो। आई होप कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा ये। इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक माई चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। सी यू सून। बाय।